right from cuisine to textile. I'm wearing that is probably some newsletter, right? So from textile to cuisine, from art and culture like performing arts, music, drama, to each and every, even the social lifestyle of the rural or urban lifestyle, in every sphere, Mizoram, like all the other states of our northeast, is very rich in culture. So we the people of Mizoram and the other parts of the country do know that Mizoram has immense potential to grow in each and every sector. And what we could not do in the last 6 decades, now under the stewardship, under the leadership of Aditya Modi ji, we have already on the path of development. Peace and harmony are prevailing now here, and this is the foremost requirement for a developed state. And I think you have already noticed that right from the donor ministry, NEC, this particular ministry is fully dedicated for the overall infrastructure development of Northeast. And each and every fortnight, one minister must visit Mizoram and the other states so that to get first-hand experience and monitoring of the developmental works, and also connectivity is other priority. I'm very happy to say that for the first time, again, our Mizoram is going to be connected with the other parts of the country through railway network, right from railways, airways, roadways, and digital digital connection also. Our government are working very hard to get it connected to the rest of the world and the country, and we have been successful. And after connectivity, infrastructure development, you have seen that the budget allocation for Northeast and Mizoram also, the budget allocation runs in the, and budget allocation for the overall infrastructure development along with other expenditures. The budget has been increased by many times compared to the previous governments. I should not compare actually right in this moment because I'm limiting myself to Waqf Amendment Act. But practically the assistance from all the sides, right from security to development, from tourism to textile to everywhere, we are collaborating, we are marching, join hand in hand with the state government and people of Mizoram. So definitely it is not a job, it is not a task that can be done overnight, but I'm optimistic that with these projects and plans and schemes, definitely we will march along with other states for a Viksit Bharat, the aim which we have already dreaming and working for to be fulfilled by 2047.